Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Dr. Jayant Narlikar says there can be bacterial and other forms of life outside Earth. Says moon water discovery will broaden the horizons of science. Astrologer Nandakishore Jakadhar predicts Digambar Kamat's regime to be over by 2010. Says only leadership change, no change of regime. It's enough of food in Kanpur. Relief Committee member urge helping hands for reconstructing damaged houses. Former selection committee chief Vengsarkar backs Dhoni and Irfan Pathan to be back with a bang. And Goa Football Association calls for public support in its commitment to develop youth football. Now the news in detail. Renowned astrophysicist Dr. Jayant Narlikar has termed finding of water on moon as an interesting discovery. Dr. Narlikar says the discovery has made scientists study moon in a much better way. Dr. Narlikar is also of the opinion that there can be bacterial and other forms of life outside Earth. Dr. Jayant Narlikar is in Goa to attend a function organized by Association of Friends of Astronomy and Department of Science and Technology and Environment. Dr. Narlikar will give a lecture at Kala Academy at Panji on the topic Search for Micro-Life in Earth's Atmosphere. Dr. Narlikar is known for developing the theory of conferral gravity along with Sir Fred Hoyle. The joint venture between NASA and ISRO has discovered traces of water on moon. Dr. Narlikar says such discoveries will help mankind in moon explorations.
It was an interesting discovery and showed that we need to study the moon even better, more closely. That was certainly proved. But Chandrayaan did a lot more studies. Surface topology of the moon, ups and downs, was studied much more carefully this time. And this can be useful to us later on when we are going to do any major landing on the moon.
Dr. Narlikar is of the opinion that a life form like bacteria can live in very harsh climatic conditions. It can even mutate under ultraviolet and gamma rays. And so any form of bacterial and other life outside the Earth cannot be ruled out.
Even laboratory experiments on the Earth show that bacteria have survived extremes of temperature, extremes of pressure. It is quite likely that outside the Earth you may find life. One should not discount the possibility.
Narlikar says science education in India should be more interesting for students so that they understand it properly. He also informed that India is also debating to join a consortium of nations which are planning to build the most sophisticated telescope of over 40 meters. The telescope will come up in next 10 years. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Shan. It seems that the stars of Digambar Kamat might ditch him in 2010. President of Brahan Maharashtra Jyotish Mandal, Jyotishi Nandakishore Jakadhar, has predicted that Digambar Kamat will not remain CM by March-April 2010. We know that the state cannot run on astrological predictions, but Jakadhar has gone a step ahead. Watch this report. Around 100 astrologers are attending All India Jyotish Conference in Panji. Speaking to Prudent Media, President of Brahan Maharashtra Jyotish Mandal, Jyotishi Nandakishore Jakadhar has predicted that Chief Minister Digambar Kamat will not remain as Chief Minister of the state by March to April 2010.
सरकार आता एवढ्याच चीफ मिनिस्टर बदलणार नाही, पण करकेचा मंगळ हा आता 13 तारखेपासून येणार असल्यामुळे विधानसभेमध्ये काहीतरी राजकीय उलाढाली होतील आणि बदलला तर 14 मार्च ते 19 एप्रिलच्या दरम्यान तो बदलू शकेल. नवीन चेहरा येण्याची शक्यता दाट आहे करकेच्या मंगळामुळे आणि तो येण्याची शक्यता आहे. तो चेहरा आला तरी तो 1-1.5 वर्षासाठीच राहू शकतो.
There is also bad news for the state BJP. Jakadhar has predicted that Congress will once again retain the power in the state after assembly election likely to be held in 2012. As far as CM's case is concerned, Jakadhar says that it will be only a leadership change and not a change of regime.
पुढच्या इलेक्शन व्हायला अजून 2-2.5 वर्षाचा अवकाश आहे आणि तेव्हा तुळेचा शनी येतो, त्यामुळे सरकार बदलणार नाही, काँग्रेसचं सरकार त्यावेळी येईल, पण कमी बहुमत येणार नाही.
Jakadhar also said that Goa's future is bright and the state will prosper in coming days. He also said that Goa will come out from economic recession within next 2 years.
गोव्याचं भविष्य आता चांगलं आहे, कारण गोव्याला येणारा कन्या राशीतील शनी हा येणाऱ्या 2.5 वर्षात जो गेल्या 5 वर्षामध्ये आर्थिक आणि भ्रष्टाचाराने गेला होता तो भाग उघडून आर्थिक सुबत्तेकडे गोवा राज्य जाऊ शकेल या 2.5 वर्षामध्ये.
Jakadhar also said that their prediction is 90% true.
ज्योतिषशास्त्राचा त्याचा अभ्यास झालेला असेल त्याची 90% प्रिडिक्शन ही बरोबर येऊ शकतात आणि 90% बाकी तो निश्चितपणे करू शकतो.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media. Concon Fund Relief Committee has appealed people to help the flood victims by providing them required construction materials to reconstruct their houses. Committee also informed that Concon is flooding with food items donated by people and government requested that people should start helping in reconstructing the damaged houses now.
It's 9 days since Concon faced the flood fury. Concon cars have started coming out of the crisis with the overwhelming help received from government and Goans. Situation has improved a lot in Concon. Flood victims have started receiving adequate food items. Reconstruction of the damaged houses will commence soon in Concon. A meeting was held on Friday to evaluate the loss due to flood. Many houses were damaged in flood. Now those houses will be reconstructed. Committee member Ananta Agni has appealed the people to donate in the form of cement, bricks, sand and other construction material as other need of the people are taken care of. Anybody interested in helping the flood victims can draw a check in favor of Concon Flood Relief Fund, account number 8008 of Corporation Bank. Committee has informed that checks can be deposited in any branch of Corporation Bank in the state. Helping hands can SMS on 9822102223, 9422057012, 9422059888, 9822297107, 9422439903, 9890030842 and give your name and address on this number. Our editor-in-chief from Concon, Sandesh Prabhudesai with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.